The first step is to register the new alarm device through your nurse call system, whether it's System Technologies, VisionLink, Innovonics, or another nurse call system. Take note of the exact name that you use to register it, because we'll have to use that in the Poltys DCC file. If the DCC-VX program is not open, double-click this icon to open the program. Sign in as the user admin using the password given to you by your Poltys dealer. To access the config file, click the Settings tab on the left side of the screen. If this computer has XL on it, click the Modify button to open up the XL file. If this computer doesn't have XL, refer to one of the tutorials titled Accessing the Config file. Clicking Modify will open an XL file. Click the Alarm Generating Devices tab along the bottom. Highlight the row where you would like to add a new device, then click Insert on the top right of the screen. Then highlight a row of an alarm similar to the one you will be adding and copy clip it into the blank row. Columns A and F need to be typed out exactly how they are typed in the nurse call system where you register the device in the first step of this tutorial. In the device display name column, column G, type the name of the desired pendant or room alarm device. For example, room 220, bed 2, Lucy Smith pendant. In the room number location column, column H, type in the new room number. Make sure the bed number is correct in column I. If your facility uses callback, and then in the callback extension column, column M, enter the appropriate callback extension by matching it to other extensions from similar alarms. Make sure the escalations are correctly set up in columns P through U. These should match the setup for other similar rooms. If the XL file is on the same computer as the Poltys program, simply click Save. The name has now been changed. All that's left now is to test the change. If the XL file is on a different computer than the Poltys program, click Save. Then either email it to yourself and open your email on the Poltys server to download the config file, or use TeamViewer File Transfer to transfer the file to the Poltys server, then download it onto the Poltys computer. Then in the DCC-VX program, click Import and select the file you modified. The name has now been changed. All that's left is to test the change.